Alright, operation put my winch on, but I gotta take off my Poison Spider bumper to then put the winch on it, and then put it back on again, and so on and so on and so on. Jeeps never end. Okay man, here we go. So here's my bumper. I've already gotten all 8 fucking bolts off. I feel like I'm always taking this thing on and off. Anyways, the sucker's gonna come off. My winch will go on. Probably do a little bit of painting, fix my fog light position, and then get it back on again. Got my front bumper off here. Just gonna take out my fog lights. Give her a quick new paint job because it's kind of rusting out a little bit. And then what I'll do is I'll put the winch on, install it, and put her back on. And there we go. Here's my crude way of getting my Poison Spider bumper up so I can get my winch onto it by myself, because I couldn't have anything jacked up on the side of it to keep it upright while I put the winch on. So I designed my own little thing to hold it straight up. It's pretty good. So I'll get it on there. Fog lights are already redone and positioned, so they're a little bit better. Way closer through. Because before they were a little bit too far back, so this way they're more through. And then my winch, my 95-pound Smittybilt XRC synthetic, will sit right there. And then I will load it onto my Jeep. Look at all my kids' toys. Good God, what happened to me? I used to be single and have mountain bikes and Jeeps, and now it's all kid stuff and Jeeps. Anyway, there we go. Here is my winch. So I'm going to put this sucker on today. Ooh, keep your winch happy. Okay. Yep, goes over there. There's my connections. Pretty simple. Pretty good. There's the bolts, which I will replace one bolt with the factory 55 locking bolt, so no one can steal my winch, so that'll be good. Woohoo! There's my handle. So I can access, oops, I should have probably dropped that on my concrete floor. Alright, okay, I'm going to get this bad boy on to that bad boy. God help me. Alright, so now I'm got the winch up on top of the bumper. I'm using the factory 55 lock winch bolt. It actually is pretty neat. This is the key right here, okay, that goes onto it. Using a 9/16 socket. I've already got the bolt up there. So basically it is right there, which is awesome. So that key will go on there when I'm going to tighten it. There's the bolts there for the winch on that side. And there's that back one over there. And I'm using the Poison Spider winch plate right here. You can't really see because it's already on. I'm almost done linking that part up. All I've done so far is just run the ground off the back of the winch. I'll hook the stuff up for the solenoid box. I might mount it here, or I mount it here. I'm not sure yet. Alright, let me get to it. I'm just going to use about 75 torque pounds here, just to make sure that everything is safe and secure. All the bolts are done. That's pretty much it. The factory 55 one with the key is done as well. Now all I have to do is just get all this part ready, get the solenoid on, and put it back in the Jeep. That's it. Almost there. Winch is pretty good on there, and I'm just going to find a spot for this stupid brake and, sorry, not brake, but the, this is the spot I'm thinking of right here for power and for ground to come up through here. You can kind of see, there you go, see right there? That's where I'm thinking. And then I can do all that, and then actually bolt everything on, get it all done. Cool. Alright, and like a dumbass, I forgot to put my license plate AV bracket on. So I'm taking this off here to do that. I also cut off the hook that comes with the Smittybilt thing. It's all nice and broken and destroyed. I cut it off good. Now I just gotta put my factory 55 flat link on. But of course I can't find my little pliers that pop off that little circular thing, whatever it's called. I'm so tired. A winch job should be easy. It took me like 4 hours. Anyways, just gonna get this on here, a couple bolts on the back, and then I'll do the license plate. It is all laced up now. License plate bracket from AEV is on. Winch is on. Still need to get my 5355 flat link on. But everything is on, it's laced up, winch works, everything's good. Yep, I'm pretty stoked. Got everything done there. Did that CB install like last week, so I'm doing pretty good. That's it for now. Well, the whole thing's done. I've got the bumper on back again. I've got the winch on. I've got the AEV license plate bracket on. I've got Factory 55 flat link on. I've got the Factory 55 bolt lock on. It took a lot of time, but it was well worth it. The winch looks great on the bumper. I remounted my fog lights because the fog lights were a bit off from putting on before because I screwed the brackets up. So I redid those. I made little spacers for the AEV license plate holder. Because a lot of guys just kind of slap it on and bend it. It doesn't sit very well. So I just took like a little plastic spacer, cut it in half, drilled it out to make it a bit longer for the bolts. Found some bolts that fit, black ones. Put them on. The rest is history. It looks good. Can't wait to use it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful at all. My videos suck. But hey, what's a married man with kids to do in his spare time but work on his Jeep? Thanks for watching.